This video is going to be about how to make starter pots out of cardboard tubes, like from toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, that you can use to plant seeds in and germinate seedlings from. So I saved my cardboard tubes for a few weeks, and once I got a couple, I'm going to mark them into segments. So on a toilet paper roll, you can draw a line halfway in the middle, and on a paper towel roll, you can divide it into a bunch of small segments. Cut along the lines, and these cardboard rolls will be used to pack dirt into for our seed pots. Press it down so that it's a little bit tight. Don't press too hard though, because I burst one because I packed it in really tight and then the water soaked through the cardboard tube. But put it in there tight enough so that it won't fall out the sides. Then I got out some popsicle sticks and I labeled them these vegetables that I'm going to plant. If you have used popsicle sticks, then write on the clean side, because you can just put the dirty side into the dirt and you won't notice that it's a funny color anymore. If you have seed packages, you can use the seeds from them, but I didn't have any, so what I did is I cut open my vegetables to get the seeds out, and I'm going to plant the seeds directly from the fresh vegetable into my seed pots. So I'm going to take my little finger and I'm going to gently stick a hole into the dirt. I put one seed in, and I cover it up, doing the same thing with the tomatoes, putting the seeds in the hole, covering them up. And these are my finished starter pots. So hopefully in a few months they're going to grow into big vegetables that will give me lots of food. I'm going to put them outside and water them almost every day. Make sure they get a lot of sunlight. If the sun is really hot and burning, then move them into the shade if they look happier there. And good luck on your new garden.